What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe and healthy. Let's begin right away. I got this little box here from Sigma, and this right here is the 35mm f2 DG-DN. These nuts lens for your Sony E-mount, and as always it comes in this nice little Sigma box. So let's open it up together to see what this is. All right, I've seen some reviews already, but you know, as always, I want to find out for myself if this is any good. So warranty, a little instruction thingy manual, and extra stuff. All right, extra paperwork. All right, so first thing that I see right here is the lens cap and the lens hood. All right. Oh, look at this, like a magnet or something. Okay, made in Japan. Let's put it here. Nice solid lens hood. Okay, then put this on the side, this little bit here out of the frame, and here it is. Not sure if I had to open it up like that, but here it is. Oh, ooh, ooh, this is a little bit heavier than I thought. It looks very small, looks very compact, but it feels quite chunky, if that makes any sense. Like somebody that is short but still very compact. Know what I mean, right? Let's open up the lens cap. Ooh la la. It sure is a beautiful lens, guys. I really like the looks of this one. Rubber sealing gasket, nice aperture ring, manual focus ring. Is there a click on and off button? I'm not sure, guys, if there is a click on, click off. I don't think so. It's just standard click. Cool. Let's put on the little lens hood as well. Wow, it clicks. It clicks. 35 f2. Look at it, guys. Looks very beautiful. Looks very clean as well. What's this thing? Okay. All right. This is different. Okay, it just fits on there like a little magnet. Okay, cool. Nice. I like it so far. Let's switch things up. I'm gonna switch it right now and see how the video autofocus looks and how it works, right? So all right, so here it is, the Sigma 35mm f2. How does it look? I think it looks pretty fine. I think what I see on the little monitor, I think it looks pretty good. I think let's do a quick autofocus test with this lens right here. Does it focus on the lens? Yes or no? Back to my face and back to the lens. All right, cool. All right, so I'm gonna go outside right now, take some first shots. And I think I'm gonna do some shots here to see my first impressions. So far, the looks, how it feels, I really like how it feels, and I really like how it looks. Not sure about the image quality yet, so that is something that I need to find out. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks, maybe next week already. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you want to see more of my face of this. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.